Next, we'll install a free plugin that gives us access to hundreds of professional website templates. These templates make it really easy to customize your website and get it looking exactly how you want. To start, let's go to the Plugins tab here on the left and click into it. You'll notice that there's already quite a few plugins here that are installed for you, and this will vary depending on which plan you chose. When I create a new website, I like to start with a clean slate of plugins. So I'll check this box here in the top left, then go to Bulk Actions, click on Deactivate, and Apply. And that's going to deactivate all of the plugins here. We'll also want to remove these pre-installed plugins. We can do this by clicking on the checkbox again, going to Bulk Actions, clicking on Delete, and Apply. And all of these plugins will now be deleted. Now let's go ahead and install the plugin that will give us access to those free templates. Go back to the left here and click on Add Plugin. Then go to the top right and search for Starter Templates. This is the plugin you're looking for here, so click on Install Now, and then Activate. After activating Starter Templates, you'll be brought right into the onboarding screen. The first thing we'll do here is choose our page builder. Go to the top right here, click into it, and you'll see options for the WordPress block editor and Elementor. In some cases, Elementor may not appear here. And if that's happening for you, let me show you how to fix it. Start by going to the bottom and clicking on Exit to Dashboard. Then go to Settings here in the bottom left. On this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see this option here. This option will disable Elementor from showing up, and in some cases, it may be ticked on for you automatically. So make sure that this is unchecked, then click on Save Changes. Now let's go ahead and head back to Starter Templates. Let's go back to Plugins here on the left, and under Starter Templates, click on Get Started. Go back to the top right and click on your page builder, and we'll select Elementor. And now we have a gallery of different templates to choose from.